Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news read by Kuku Lungalang. Union government said that it is committed to releasing funds for wage and material payments for proper implementation of the Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act (MGNREGA) scheme. Rural Development Ministry said that fund release towards wage and material is a continuous process, and there has been an increase of more than 18% of funds allocated for the current financial year in comparison to the previous financial year as a budget estimate. It said during the current financial year, so far, more than 63,793 crore rupees have been released for the implementation of the scheme in the states and union territories. Currently, 8,921 crore rupees funds are available which can meet the wage liability equal to the current availability. The government has said that 2 crore 50 lakh rural self-help groups, women will be provided livelihood support in the next 2 years. The Rural Development Ministry said that the government has launched an initiative to enable rural SHG women to earn at least 1 lakh rupees per annum. The ministry said that based on various models existing across the country, a detailed advisory has been issued to the state governments. Under the National Rural Livelihood Mission, poor women from different cross-sections of class and caste form SHG and their federations, providing financial, economic, and social development services to their members for enhancing their income and quality of life. Minister, Planning and Coordination, Land Revenue and Parliamentary Affairs, Neiba Kronu, said that the state is lacking behind in human resource sector. He was addressing a gathering during the Golden Jubilee function of the Naga Students' Union Dibrugarh at Dibrugarh yesterday. Kronu therefore urged students to come together, learn and bring quality education to the core so that they can come back to Nagaland and serve the state in professional capacities. He said that Assam, being a premier educational destination for Nagas, offers conducive and peaceful atmosphere. Kronu called to nurture the relationship and share peace through the fellowship of oneness, affection, and concern for one another. Delivering solidarity speech, President Naga Students Federation, Kegwan Hyun Tep, appealed to continue to share the solidarity and harmony of coexistence towards a way forward. Minister PHED Jacob Jimomi inaugurated Shitoy Village Golden Jubilee Memorial Building Rest House at Kagaboto area under Newland subdivision yesterday. The minister was accompanied by ADC Newland, EAC Agunaka, EE Rural PHED, and officers. The minister dedicated the memorial building to the pioneer of the Shitoy village. Jimomi also visited the completed Jal Jivan mission project in the village and expressed his happiness upon the departmental works for completing the project in due time. Governor of Nagaland, Jagdish Mukhi, extended warm wishes to the Ziliang community and all the people of Nagaland on the occasion of Langsimyi. In the press release, the governor appraised that Langsimyi, the premier festival of the Ziliangs, is a time for rekindling of relationships, especially between family members. He stated that young boys, as well as the men, actively take part in traditional games and sports. Mukhi therefore hoped that the fundamental essence of the festival, love, respect, peace, and harmony, will prevail among all sections of the people. He further cautioned to celebrate the beautiful festival by observing all COVID-19 protocols. Nagaland reported 122 COVID-19 positive cases and 6 deaths this week, with weekly positivity rate remained less than 5% for the last 11 weeks. State Health and Family Welfare Department said that all districts reported weekly positivity rate of less than 5% except Wokha with 6.6%. There have been 22 new admissions in COVID-19 hospitals reported from the week, with 11 from Dimapur alone. Currently, there are 222 active cases. A total of 11.99 lakhs of COVID-19 vaccine have been administered across the state. 57% of eligible adult population has received at least one dose. The highest vaccination coverage districts are Dimapur, Kohima, Mokokchung, and Mon. As India achieved the milestone of vaccinating 100 crore people against COVID-19, All India Radio salutes all the people, doctors, nurses, and others who made this possible. Even though the country has achieved this feat, we caution our listeners that the battle against COVID is not yet over. We appeal to our listeners who are yet to get fully vaccinated to get vaccinated at the earliest and also to help others get vaccinated. During the festival season, please follow these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, maintain 6 feet for social distancing, focus on hand and face hygiene. For any COVID-related information and guidance, contact National Helpline numbers 011-2397-8046 and 1075 and State Helpline number 1800-345-0019. With that, we have come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.